Really wanted to try out some carving the next time we travel, but I didn't want to pack up all my tools and bring them with, so I bought this set. Wood carving knife set, all in one. It's a 20-piece set in a leather bag. And I can pull it out of the box here. It's ready to go. Had a little paper strap on the shoulder strap here. I'm going to just go ahead and take that off for now. But you could carry it like a satchel or with that shoulder strap. Go ahead and pull these straps, these buckles off. And it's a nice soft leather. And it opens up. Got a nice flap over the tools. Each of the tools comes with a plastic cap over the sharp portion. These are nice quality. And as you can see, everything's included that you're going to need. Even small sets. And a way to sharpen them up. Really looking forward to using this while we're traveling. It's a high quality set. Hope this helps.